So I finally watched Predator Killer of Killers recently, a new animated Predator film that's streaming on Hulu, and I thought it was pretty cool. Here's my review. Directed by Dan Trachtenberg, who previously directed Prey, and who is also directing the upcoming Predator Badlands. Predator Killer of Killers is a less than 90-minute anthology film that's a collection of short stories that essentially function as what-if scenarios in the Predator universe. There's a Viking one, there's a samurai one, there's a fighter pilot one, and in the end they all tie together for a fourth and final short. It honestly reminded me of those Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic cinematic trailers that sort of served as little action-packed short films. I used to love watching those as a kid, and this gave me a very similar vibe. This movie has been receiving a lot of praise recently from both critics and audiences. It has a 95% tomato meter rating on Rotten Tomatoes with a 90% audience approval rating. It has a 3.8 out of 5 on Letterboxd. And while I don't feel as strongly about it as others seem to, mainly due to there not being much to get attached to in terms of narrative and characters, I still think this was a really fun idea for a movie that features some fiercely entertaining action sequences. I've been wanting a samurai-based Predator movie for a while now, and although this isn't exactly that, it's still awesome to see that idea realized here. That was probably my favorite of the 4 stories, with the fighter pilot one following closely behind it. I also liked how each Predator in these 4 short stories was different, keeping things fresh from an antagonistic point of view. And the movie ends on an exciting note that did leave me wanting more, which I hope happens. Now, when it comes to the visuals, that was the aspect of the movie that kind of dragged it down for me. I think the art style is fine, but the animation felt a bit choppy and stiff. It lacked a certain smoothness. Overall, I had a good time with this. I also think it's just rad that 2025 is the year of us getting 2 Predator movies. I'm more than okay with Dan Trachtenberg making as many Predator films as he wants because he has a knack for it. I can't wait to see what he does next with Badlands. I give Predator Killer of Killers a 3.5 out of 5.